Now I'm going to show you how to make this zigzag border, which is made up using half square triangles. Now you can use your favourite method to make half square triangles. You're looking at having 3-inch squares. For example, you could run a line all the way along here alongside this one, turn round back the other way down here and around, and just work a seam either side of every diagonal line. And this, you can see, is a bit like a flying goose here. So you're making some flying geese effectively, if you are familiar with that, like that. And then underneath you're going to put it on like that, and you can now see that your zigzag design is coming into shape.